Have you ever looked at a giant tree and wondered how many trees am I actually looking at? Well, what if I told you it might be just one? This is Ficus microcarpa, also known as Chinese banyan, and once you learn how it grows, you will never look at trees the same way again. Here is the crazy part. This tree does not always start its life on the ground. Instead, a bird eats one of its tiny figs and later drops the seed onto the branch of another tree. If the seed lands in the right spot, it begins growing high above the forest floor. Imagine that a tree starts its life in another tree. But it can't stay there forever. Soon it sends long roots hanging down through the air. These are called aerial roots. At first they are thin, almost like ropes, but once they reach the ground, something amazing happens. They become thicker, stronger, and eventually look just like brand new tree trunks. Then the process repeats. More aerial roots grow, more supports are formed. Year after year, the tree spreads farther and farther. That's why an old Ficus microcarpa can look like an entire forest. But here is something even more incredible. Its flowers are almost impossible to see. That's because they are hidden inside what we think of as the fig itself. So how does the tree get pollinated? With the help of tiny fig wasps. The wasp squeezes into the fig through a tiny opening, pollinates the hidden flowers, and lays its egg. Later, the next generation of wasp leaves the fig, carrying pollen to another one. It's partnership that has existed for millions of years, and without those tiny wasps, this tree could not reproduce in the same way. When the figs ripen, they become a feast for birds, bats, and other animals. Those animals carrying the seeds to a new place, helping more ficus trees grow. So the tree feeds wildlife, and the wildlife helps the tree survive. Nature does not get much smarter than that. People also love planting Ficus microcarpa in cities. Its huge canopy creates cool shade on hot days, helps absorb carbon dioxide, and provides shelter for birds and insects. It's even one of the world's most popular bonsai tree because it responds so well to pruning. But every superpower has a downside. Those powerful roots that makes the tree so strong can also lift sidewalks, crack pavements, and sometimes damage underground pipes if the tree is planted too close to buildings. In some countries, it even spreads so successfully that it's considered an invasive species. Still, it's impossible not to admire it. Think about it. A tiny seed carried by a bird, growing high in another tree, sending roots through the air, and slowly creating something that looks like an entire forest. That's not science fiction. That's Ficus microcarpa. The next time you see a giant banyan tree, stop for a moment and look closely. What seems like dozens of trees may actually be one of the nature's greatest masterpieces. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing tree, do not forget to subscribe for more incredible stories from the natural world. I am still improving my editing and pronunciation, so thanks for your patience.